you, man.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Legal Alien Racing. We're out here at Dallas Karting Complex for the SWS League Finals. Tonight is the last race of the season. I'm winning the heavy division by 15 points over Russell. So the championship's up for grabs. Either it's going to be him or me that's going to win it. So we're looking forward to some good racing, and we're going to see what happens. All right, guys, just got done with qualifying. Qualifying went really well. I qualified third overall. Russell qualified fourth. But then they threw a twist into the mix. We had a redraw for positions. We're going to keep the same cart, but redraw starting positions. I got freaking lucky and drew pole position. Russell, unfortunately, drew 14th position. And if you're a fan of Juan, I think he's in 22nd position. It's just luck of the draw, literally, and it fortunately worked out for me. But, you know, we still have to race and finish.
Looking good. Alright, now it's gonna be a fuck up. Settle in here a second. I got some room back there. I'm gonna roll off the gas just a little bit. Alright, we're good. Alright, he's coming in really hot through there, so I'm gonna try to set him up for the next time around. Got a better bite off of there. I'm gonna try them on the exit of 7 and 8. So after this right left. There we go. Nope. Not good. Oh my God, that's Russell. He's coming to, he ain't playing. Let's go, Russell. All right, this guy in front of me, he's in second place. Here we go. Fantastic job by Russell. That was a big fuck up. Man, can't believe Russell made up. He started in 14th place, and shoot, man, by the, I don't know, third lap or whatever it was, he's right there. That's great. I see a shadow. I know Russell's right behind me. Yes, sir. He's got the inside coming on through here. This car has a brand new engine in it. Good job! Good job! Alright, here's the league finals in the SWS Series here at Dallas Karting Complex. The guy at second place over on points is Russell right here next to me. He won the last race. I was leading the points by 15 going in based on the last race. If I have my points correct, he should be winning by, I should be still in the points lead by 13. Every cart's about 2 points, I believe. So anyways, we're just gonna try to do our best. Not fucking wreck is the key. Watching the starter in front of us. He wants it slow. Nice jump. All right, Russ got out to a good lead. Russell has a really strong cart. Not talking much, gotta focus. Came in too hot, god damn it. Fucking wheel hop. That's 2 times in a row shit he threw there. I'm gonna have to fix that. I can't let Russell get too far away. Fuck you, man. That's fucking bullshit. We're racing for a fucking championship. I mean, I don't know who that was. It's probably a mistake, but I'm not happy with them. I don't give a shit who it is. Should be it. Good job. Goes Juan. How's it going, buddy? Good job, man. You walked away, you were gone.
Dude, that thing, it just seemed to get better. I don't know.
So who are you and why are you on video?
My name's Adam Walker. You're gonna see a wreck, partial wreck, completely my fault. Carried way too much speed. Oscar did great. I deserve to get cussed out, so whatever happens, happens.
Coming home in 3rd place. We call him number 1, but he's number 3 tonight.
I was number 1.
And coming home in 2nd place, Oscar Moreno. And on the top step, no one had anything for this guy tonight. Russell White.
He cheated. Weigh him, man. You gotta weigh him. He's cheating.
We tried that.
He's not wearing his boots. They would claim he's got his boots.
He just ate a whole lot of barbecue, though.
All right, Patrick.
You're the best
All right.
girl ever. All right, coming home in 2nd place, Jet Rouse.
All right.
Super Bowl!
I believe this is for the 2nd year in a row, Matthew Wiltz.
Yeah! Like that?
Yeah.
2nd place, this was a dogfight between these two. Coming home in 2nd, Russell White. And coming home on the top step, Oscar Moreno.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Chip. Nice. Taking one like that.
All right, guys, so that was the last race of the season. The season is wrapped up, and I am Heavies champion for the SWS Series at Dallas Karting Complex, so it's really cool. Russell ran great tonight. He won, heck, he's been running good since mid-season, but tonight he won both the pre-final and the final, and I barely nudged him out by about 10 points overall for the season, so I'm just very happy to have won the championship overall. Thanks to DKC and all the other racers out there for just having a good season of racing. If you want to race at Dallas Karting Complex, just come out here and drive the rentals once, and then they'll let you race in league. It's tons of fun. You're going to meet a lot of cool people, make a lot of new friends. Thanks for watching the videos. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Like the video if you liked it. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.